project is dynamic wireless charging system for electric vehicles based on ultracapacitor integrated magnetic resonance coupling. The system consists of two coils, the transmitter part and the receiver part. The transmitter coil is under the road and the receiver coil is beneath the vehicle. The distance of the coils is selected in accordance with the vehicle configuration and size. The number of turns depends on the inductance, which results in the suitable coupling capacitance. This is the transmitter part and this is the receiver part. The transmitter system consists of AC power source. Here we are using the AC power grid supply and we step down the voltage. We can also use the renewable sources for the supply. It also consists of a rectifier and an inverter part and the transmitter coils. The supply from the grid is converted into the DC using the rectifier, and this is again converted into the AC so that we increase the frequency and give it to the transmitter coil. The receiver part consists of the receiver coil, which is beneath the vehicle, and a rectifier circuit, boost converter and the ultracapacitor used for charging the vehicle. The power received in the receiver coil is converted into the DC, required DC, and as we require more amount of DC power, we will use the boost converter to boost the DC, which charges the ultracapacitor that runs the vehicle. Here we are taking the supply using the transformer. Here we are stepping down the voltage as we require less voltage for this project. This is a transmitter coil and we are getting the supply through the transmitter coil. This is a example of a receiver coil, and as the distance between the transmitter and the receiver coil increases or decreases, the amount of power received by the receiver coil changes. If the distance is more, the receiver coil receives less power supply, and as the distance reduces, it receives more amount of supply. Here this transmitter and receiver coil are not coupled, so any power is not transferred to the receiver coil. This is the electric vehicle, and as it moves on the road, when the transmitter and the receiver coil couples and maximum flux is transferred, the electrical vehicle gets charged, which we can see on the display board. And when there is no coupling, it doesn't show that the electrical vehicle is charging, it just shows that it is an electrical vehicle. So as a backup, we can also use solar for the electrical vehicle, and for the transmitter part, we could also use solar for beside the road, which is renewable energy source. Thank you.